that this was where the cloisters were of the abbey, and relative to where we know the chancel of the church was and the south transept, this area should have contained some east-west part of the south side of the cloister. The first wall we turned up, unfortunately, turned out to be north-south, blowing all our preconceptions out of the gardens, into some adjacent gardens probably. Anyway, persevering, we found two further things. First of all, that the north-south wall incorporated masonry, which, with the dating skills of my good archaeologist friend here, Mr. Dr. Crook, he dated as being from the earliest phase of Hyde Abbey, i.e. stone that came from the Isle of Wight, or limestone. But the way those bits of masonry are used, called abacus, is that
Yes,
John?
yes.
Is totally different from that purpose they would have been used for originally. Here they're upside down and they're low in the wall, perhaps maybe added as some decorative feature, one of a pair of them there, and clearly not where they were originally put. So we've got a north-south wall, part of some structure which we really do not know anything about. We have no good hypothesis running for that at the moment. But then in this trench, when going a little deeper, we did uncover a bit of an east-west wall. Hurrah! And then in trying to think about how it relates to what may be a continuity of that north-south wall, it is certainly on the same alignment, but whereas that's a nice, neat, finished wall, if this is part of that same structure, all we've got is a rubble core. We've got no facing material at all. But it's a hypothesis that if there was this pre-existing east-west wall, something to do with the cloister, and this later feature was put in place, they chopped off the wall here, and that is what we can kind of tell is consistent with that interpretation. Because this wall is embedded in clay, they use quite commonly as bedding material of the foundation trenches, and continues on slightly beyond its present terminal. So it did look as though this wall continued that way. And based on our preliminary thoughts about the size of the cloister, it would have been expected to continue a bit further west. So we have a wall which is potentially part of the cloister, we have another structure which is potentially part of God knows what, and we seem to have some interrelationship which says that that is earlier than that. That's as far as we can go, I think.